Okay, so I got these, super cute.
If we could run it, if we could run it back, and do you wonder if we could?
Okay guys, we are going shopping. I haven't been out of the house in about 3 weeks. I feel like I haven't been out of the house or shopping since like Thanksgiving. So first, let's buckle down some things. It's super windy out here in Central California. So I'm gonna lower my tilted old umbrella. So before I head out the house, I like to do a little housekeeping, a little tidying. I love using combination of bleach and water and just wiping off some of the frequently used surfaces like this laundry folding station. I just want to show you how I store my detergent because one of my sons who's 24, he's in a wheelchair and so he can't really reach the upper cabinet. So I just leave, don't mind the noise, I just leave a little gain easily accessible. So yes, you see that marble table? I love it. That's a Facebook Marketplace find. I feel like a lot of my footage in this video, some of it went in slow motion, not sure what happened, but yeah, I like to wipe that down with a little bleach and water as well. And those are some of my coveted books I got back east in Buffalo, New York while out thrifting. But yes, art books, we have Cezanne, we have Michelangelo, we have Pontormo, but look how glossy. This is genuine marble and I love it. I got it on Facebook Marketplace, I think for only around $300, and the person who sold it to me, she actually works for the company that invented Squishmallows. It's like a startup, and I asked her how they're doing. Okay, so let me show you, don't mind the house, like I said, it's a little bit messy right now, but let me show you the flooring choice that was inspired by that table. So remember this outdoor patio, it was pretty dated. So we used some large format tile in black. Now it's not real marble, it's not real granite, it's porcelain tile made to look like, I love this. And I just added this little planter that I got at a garden store. And those plants are kind of dying. It's a lemon plant and the red one's dying. I think because it's so wet, it's been rainy out here and damp. I have stopped watering it, but it just really needs to dry out. Maybe there's not enough proper drainage. Now this one over here, this ivy, it totally reminds me of Lydia Elise Millen. I feel like she has a lot of ivy in her house. But yeah, it's growing like a weed. And this little planter is supposed to be like French style. I'm not sure if that lichen, the green lichen you see, it's not really showing up that well on camera, but I'm not sure if it's genuine or if it's faux. I'm pretty sure it's faux. They did like a crackle technique, but yeah, I think it looks really cute, especially since I elevated it on that little box. Now, even though I'm in the midst of taking down Christmas decorations, I'm going to leave the wreaths as is because I think it still goes with the whole holiday look or winter look. It's transitional because you just have the bells and the ribbon, so I think we can leave that as is. Okay, so I pulled out these jeans, which are super cute. They have like a crossover front design for the zipper, and I think when you have like a slanted design like that, it really helps to bring your waistline in and give you the illusion of a narrower waist. Okay, so we're here in Cost Plus. They had a lot of wall art. I was thinking of getting this checker design, but then I thought about it. I kind of avoided the checker trend, and I also think it would give me a headache. For $199, I didn't want to chance it because I know that's something that I would get sick of looking at. They had some textural items. I feel like some of those pieces would have looked better without the glass cover, but like that one is like a macrame, which is pretty. And they had a ton of mirrors, but I felt like the mirrors were kind of pricey. They also had the Scandinavian type mirrors that have like the oblong shape, which is really cute. So these are aromatherapy, you know, like diffusers, and that was jasmine. I put it back. I really like the vases, but I feel like you need to go for decor, particularly vases and sculptural pieces that are oversized and large, because that's going to make your room feel more important and just more luxe. So I really came here to get some towels. They didn't have the biggest selection, but in the past I've gotten towels like that, and when I go to dry myself off, I don't even feel like I'm getting warm or absorbing or wicking the water. So I prefer something like with a waffle weave or something that's a little more traditional, because it's cold in the winter time, and I really wanted a towel that's gonna dry me off. Okay, so in the rug section, they have the faded Turkish type of rugs, but I was really surprised the prices weren't too bad. They were a little more than Home Goods, but I would say from around $160 to $400 you could get a nice oversized rug. And I did talk to the lady about wool versus some of the jute or polyester rugs, and there have been a lot of returns with the wool rugs, particularly those cute ones right there, because they just shed like crazy. So that's definitely something you want to consider when picking out your rug. If you can handle it and don't mind it, or if your floors are light, I'd say go for it. Like, that was my first choice, but I just couldn't do it. I'm also considering getting a little couch in my room, because my room's pretty big and I have this space for it, but I just don't think velvet is what I'm going for, especially because I know my kids will wipe their hands all over it. Okay guys, I was really drawn to that little cup right there that has like the triangular shape, but for $15, I just couldn't do it. It's just too expensive. $9.99, sure, but $15 for a glass, I had to pass. Okay, so these were each like 10 bucks each. And just so you can like I could serve my kids like a cute lunch. I don't know. My age, I've always had a fascination with strawberry shortcake. It's just very nostalgic, especially the way she used to smell. So anything with strawberries, I think is super cute. I feel like the texture is really cute, and I wanted something white, but not too white, because you know then when you wipe like your tinted moisturizer on it or dirt, it's just like super obvious. So these were $10 each, and I just got 2 towels for my husband and I, as well as 1 hand towel just for us, because like I said, I don't know if the audio recording worked while I was doing the shop with me, but my daughter had like 5 towels in her room. And then when I had guests over, like my other son was over from the Bay Area, San Francisco, and he couldn't even, there was no towel for him to take a shower because she had like 1,000,001 towels in her room. So I'm gonna have an arsenal of towels hidden away in my bedroom. This wine, I want to make like a mulled wine for the wintry season, so I'm gonna add some cloves, some cinnamon. This was 12 bucks. It says Vingloog. I think it's like a German, and I think it's intended to make mulling wine, because it was like in the Christmassy section next to the mulling spices. So let's try that. Okay, and really one of the other things I went in there were for these candles. Like, look how pretty. It's got the scroll design. I like lighting candles in my bedroom because like I kind of like push the TV back in my bedroom, so it's even more pretty, and like just these give it this like ambiance. Okay, I got the rug, which I'll share in a minute, but I got this chili and fig spread. So I made a torta, which is just like a Mexican or Latin sandwich, but you can just basically make a panini. If you add this chili fig spread, it gives a perfect sweetness and with a hint of spice. Not really a lot of spice at all, like you can handle it. Like, I love spicy food. If you're not into spice, you could totally handle this. But yeah, so this chili fig spread, this little, it's like for, like if you just want to wash a few berries, a few strawberries, you don't want to like take out the whole bag and get them all wet. Perfect for just like washing something small. These are like chip clips in the shape of a chip. So cute, and you get 4. I think it was 10 bucks, but oh my God, look. A chip clip in the shape of a tortilla chip. I've never tried pasta like this, look. So I felt like this type of pasta would be really good because the sauce will get all in the grooves. Yeah, so I got those. Gin ramen, my kids love gin. I got my dad some English tea. See how loud they are, disrespectful. Okay, I got some English tea. I got some olive oil. It looks like a beer. They had tons of olive oil, but I didn't want to spend over $15. So I got a sushi kit for my daughter, where you can like put the sauce, has the chopsticks in the little dish. My guy, so I've been trying to find a quiet spot. So we're in the bedroom now, but let me finish with my little CVS haul, because I always think these are fun. So I decided to try out this Vanacream Vitamin C Serum. Okay, so look, I went to a New Year's party, had so much fun, saw a couple of my new friends that I've made out here. I was like, I put makeup on, and then like a day later, I had a pimple. Like, makeup does not do good with me, but I digress. Vitamin C is always good, and this brand Vanacream, I also got this Vanacream. So Dr. Dre here on YouTube recommends it. It's a moisturizing cream. It's non-comedogenic. It's affordable. It's cheap. It has all the good stuff in it. You don't need to spend $1 million for moisturizing cream. One of these will last you like a year. So this same company that makes Vanacream also made a vitamin C serum. And I looked at one of the ingredients. It's like second to last. And so the vitamin C isn't high up there. So it's probably not really strong. But since I use a lot of acids at night, I don't need something super duper strong. So yes, this vitamin C cream, hopefully it works out good. You always gotta have baby wipes in the bathroom for like your fingers, your kids' face. It's soft. Only thing is I wouldn't take makeup off with it because I did one time before and my eyes were stinging. So anyways, yeah. Okay, then I got my son, because he has like keratosis pilaris where it's like bumpy on your arms. So I got him this salicylic acid cream, which is another recommendation from Dr. Dre. Okay, so the other thing I got was some mascara. Have any of you guys tried Falsies Surreal? Probably not. Okay, then I got my daughter some micellar makeup remover. I got one of these for like scrubbing behind, you know when you wash dishes and that little area gets like a bunch of debris from when you wash and the backsplash and stuff like that. So I got this little scrubbing thing. This will work great in conjunction with some Comet. Oh my gosh, can't wait to clean my house with this. Okay, I forgot to show you from Cost Plus, I got this, which is this lava? It was $8. Slate, no, this is Slate. And I have a bathroom downstairs, which is all Slate. I should show you. It's dark, it's moody. It's like all dark tile and Slate in the shower. But this is like a Slate soap dish, which I might put in there. Make it look really cool. Okay, now this last item, guys, I gotta sit down for this. This last item, I'm so pumped up to show you guys. So you know I've been wanting pinch pots. I've been wanting them forever. And then I got some cheap ones from like Home Goods. So like yellow and black with bees on it. They weren't like high quality or like the aesthetic I'm going for, but I just picked them up. I finally bit the bullet and purchased these off Amazon, and I can link them. But as you saw in the shop with me, a lot of stores are selling them right now. But look, guys. Look at these pinch pots, gorgeous. No, you could choose like black, white, and gray. I chose black for pepper and this color for salt. So cute. You know, you just lift this up, grab your little salt, make your food. You guys know I love to cook. I'm a graduate of culinary school, like 18 months. Took me 20 years to pay off that damn school. But anyways, I love to cook, so I can't wait to use these pinch pots.